I'm Richard. My father-in-law was looking to downsize from his house up in the Newcastle area, and we had sufficient space on our block to put a granny flat or to build a structure in the backyard that would suit his needs.
Hi, I'm Murray Fleming from Canberra Outdoor Structures in Queanbeyan. The site was a sloping site which had a retaining wall through the middle of the proposed building, which presented quite a few challenges. We overcame that by using a steel subfloor system. It took us 2 days to build the steel subfloor and 5 days to install the kit to lock-up stage.
One of the great aspects of dealing with Easy Kit Homes is that we've been able to change parts and aspects of the design. We've put a barn door to the bathroom laundry area. We're putting a larger window into the living area.
My name is Ulrich. I'm now living at the back of my son-in-law and daughter's place in a granny flat. The fact that it's designed in a very cold European country means it's ideally suited for this climate. The double insulation in the roof, the very thick timber walls, the double glazing on the windows and doors all mean that when I get up in the morning, it's still quite comfortable in here, even though I haven't had any heating on. When I walk outside, it's freezing. It has 2 bedrooms, which means I could live in one, have one as a bedroom, but I could use the other one as an office/computer room. The living area is really quite well structured in that you can have people for dinner if you want to and still not feel cramped. One of the other advantages is that the ceiling height is really quite substantial, and it means that it feels very spacious. In a lot of ways, this doesn't feel like a granny flat. It really feels like a very luxurious retreat that you can live in forever.